2022 has been a tremendous year for Dubai real estate market, and I am here today to give you guys a rewind of what all happened in Dubai real estate market in this incredible year. So let's begin the rewind. First up, what are the total number of transactions which happened in Dubai real estate market this year were 265 billion dirhams with a B, guys. 265 billion dirhams worth of transactions in Dubai real estate market, and almost 100,000 properties were sold in this year, as compared to 2021 where the transactions were just 150 billion dirhams. There has been a 76% overall growth in Dubai real estate market from 2021 to the end of 2022. What are the top 3 areas? First up is the beautiful area of Palm Jumeirah, the most luxurious area of Dubai. It has to be there in this list, and it's number 1. So the highest volume of transactions were in Palm Jumeirah, number 1. Second, Business Bay, a growing area which is going to be one of the best areas in Dubai in the next 5 years. It's already in top 5, but it might be the best area in Dubai with the developments going on in this incredible area. And third, the king of Dubai, the main area of Dubai, the heart of Dubai, which is downtown. So top 3 areas were Palm Jumeirah number 1, Business Bay number 2, and downtown Dubai number 3 in terms of total volume of transactions, or the highest volume of transactions in an area. What about the top selling projects of 2022? First was St. Regis downtown, which was sold a lot. It's an incredible project. I've given details about this project in my other videos as well over the year, and this is one of the best projects which was launched in this year. Second is Alaya Gardens. It's in Tilal Al Gaf. Tilal Al Gaf is again incredible project. I've mentioned slightly about this project, but Alaya Gardens is an incredible project with extremely high-end villas and townhouses as well. Third, Six Senses Residences in Palm Jumeirah, one of the best project launches in this year, one of the ultra luxurious projects in Dubai and Palm Jumeirah. This has been one of the best projects, guys, and a super luxury project. I have made 2-3 videos regarding this project specifically, which you can check out on my channel, but this is a great project to look at and an ultra luxurious project. What was the best month of the year in terms of volume? November was the best month of the year in terms of volume. We had transactions of over 30.77 billion dirhams in just November in 2022. So November takes the crown of best month of the year in terms of highest volumes. What was the most expensive property which was sold in Dubai in 2022? A 600 million dirham mansion, guys, which was sold in Palm Jumeirah, allegedly bought by Mr. Mukesh Ambani, who is one of the richest people in India and a billionaire. Most expensive property with price per square foot which was sold, it was sold in Bulgari Islands, where the price per square foot was 12,620 dirhams, which is equivalent to approximately $4,000 per square foot. This was in Bulgari Island. This is the most luxurious community, or the project which has been there in Dubai. Ultra luxurious apartments and mansions are there in Bulgari Islands. There were a couple of standout developers. This was the year of off-plan, I would say. Off-plan properties were sold a lot. I would say 60% were sold off-plan and 40% sales were there approximately. In secondary markets, there are top developers which are selling, like Emaar, Damac, Nakheel, Dubai Properties, Miraz. These are the top developers which always sell their products. But there were some of the standout developers this year as well in Dubai property market. Who were they? First, I would go with Sobha. It had launched an amazing project in Mohammed bin Rashid City District 1 Maidan, which is called Sobha Heartland. but this project has been sold a lot, and Sobha has made a name for itself after selling this project. It has garnered attention from international investors as well, not just the people in Dubai or India. Sobha is an Indian developer, by the way, so a lot of properties were sold by Sobha in Sobha Heartland, which made it one of the standout developers of this year, and it has made a name of itself. Second up, low ticket size projects were launched by Danube Properties. Again, amazing projects which are there in Arjan, JVC, and all the projects were sold out. So Danube Properties has also made a name of itself in this year a lot. It has garnered a lot of attention from low ticket size buyers, or they're providing affordable homes, properties with private pools but at an affordable prices. So Danube Properties also stood out a lot. Great marketing techniques which they used, and most of the projects were sold out on the launch day itself. Then Omniyat, again a lot of projects like residences at Dorchester Collection, one at Palm. They launched Ava at Palm, like an ultra luxurious project in Palm Jumeirah, and then they recently launched Orla. So Omniyat has been great in selling a lot of projects. It has sold a lot in one of the projects in Business Bay here, which is called the Sterling, which is a low ticket size, not low ticket size, but like over the properties are starting from around 1 million dirhams over there. Great project to look at. But Omniyat also stood out with high value sales largely this year, and it has been a great it has launched some of the great projects. And last, the standard developer was Select Group for me. Select Group has launched the Peninsula 6 Senses Residences, was again in collaboration with Select Group. So Select Group has to be there in this list because it has been selling one of the top selling projects in Dubai. And then with the launch of Peninsula, and Peninsula was launched, but there were phases in Peninsula which is there in Business Bay, which were launched and which was sold out a lot. So they're selling projects in two of the top most selling communities, which is Palm Jumeirah and Business Bay. So Select Group has to be there on the list. So the standout developers: Sobha Realty, Danube Properties, Omniyat, and Select Group in this year for me. So this was an overview of Dubai real estate market in 2022. I would say this was the year of luxury real estate, because the luxury real estate has garnered the most attention out of all in Dubai property market. It has seen high net worth individuals buying most expensive properties in Dubai. An example being a 600 million dirham mansion which was bought in Palm Jumeirah. There was a 300 million dirham mansion bought in Palm Jumeirah, 270 million mansion bought in Palm Jumeirah. These are just properties, like I'm talking about luxury mansions or very high-end mansions, but these are this was the year of luxury real estate market in Dubai in 2022, and it has been sold a lot. A lot of high net worth individuals are moving to Dubai. This was the year with highest volume of transactions. 265 billion dirham of transactions are not a joke in a year for a city. So this has been a tremendous year for the Dubai real estate market. A little bit glimpse of what I think what will happen or what can be expected going into 2023 is people say that market is inflated. Dubai real estate market is so high at the moment. Let it drop. It's gonna drop. It's gonna crash. Guys, I've mentioned this in 2-3 of my videos that we are not crashing soon. I'm telling you guys. Unless and until there is a huge crash all over the world, or there is a big problem around the world, like a great recession, like 2008 and all that stuff, the Dubai property market is not crashing. First up, then is it inflated? No, it's not inflated. I mentioned in that in price index since 2009 until 2022, there's still a lot of scope to grow. I mentioned that market was at 172-73 points in 2014 in terms of prices. Now it's around 145, 146. So there's a lot of scope to grow still for Dubai property market, and it's not inflated. The price per square foot is still lower than a lot of big cities around the world, and Dubai is one of the most fairly priced territory at this moment as well. If I'm talking in December, it's still a lot fairly priced territory. and it has a lot of room to grow from here. So if you are thinking that I will not buy now, I will wait for the market to go down and all that stuff, every market moves in cycles. But I'm gonna say you have to see the scope of the market, and if you see the scope of Dubai real estate market, it has a lot of scope to grow as of now, if you watch my other videos as well on this channel. Luxury real estate will continue to grow in this year as well. A lot of high net worth individuals are moving to Dubai. Billionaires like Mr. Mukesh Ambani, who are buying mansions in Dubai, they're giving a confidence to other millionaires and billionaires around the world, and even to small investors, that if billionaires are buying properties in Dubai, then what are we doing sitting here and not buying or putting money in Dubai real estate market, which is a lot of scope to grow, which gives you huge capital returns of very, very high capital appreciation, and rental yields as well, like 8, 10, 20% as well if you're doing a holiday home or something in good time of the year. But then 8, 9, 10% is a very, very good return which you don't get around the world. Like if you put in bank deposits, they're giving you 3%, 4% maximum FDs and all that stuff. But then Dubai real estate market gives you huge returns if you're buying the property at the right price, and if you're renting the property at again the right price. Rents have increased by 30% approximately this year. I think the rents are a bit inflated. It was because of huge demand this year because of the Qatar World Cup and all that stuff. But the rents, they're probably gonna drop by 5 to maybe 10% as well after the first quarter. They're not gonna drop right now. They're gonna drop after the first quarter of 2023, what I think. So to end up, it has been a tremendous year, the best year for the Dubai real estate market. Huge volume of transactions. This was the year-end rewind. This all happened in the Dubai real estate market, and there is a lot to come in 2023. We should be excited to be in the Dubai real estate market in 2023 and to put money there, because it's gonna give you huge returns over a period of time. So thank you so much guys for being in the video. I wish you all a happy new year and have a great year ahead in 2023. Thank you so much.